Ever feel like your garage has turned into a black hole, swallowing up tools, holiday decorations, and who knows what else? It's a common problem, but fear not. Today, we're diving into the art of garage decluttering. Step 1. Preparation. Before tackling the chaos, gather a few essential items: sturdy garbage bags, a set of boxes for sorting, and a clear day in your schedule. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and your garage won't be cleaned in an hour. Step 2. Empty the garage. It might seem counterproductive to make a bigger mess, but trust the process. As you remove items, sort them into 3 categories: keep, donate, or toss. Be ruthless. If you haven't used it in a year, do you really need it? Step 3. Clean. With the garage empty, you have a rare opportunity to sweep out the cobwebs and wipe down surfaces. A clean garage is a happy garage. Step 4. Organize. It's time to put things back, but not in the old chaotic way. Group similar items together. Tools with tools, holiday decorations with holiday decorations. Consider investing in some shelving or storage bins. They can transform your garage from a mess into a well-organized space. Step 5. Maintain. You've put in the hard work, now make it last. Make a habit of returning items to their designated spots, and at least once a year, do a quick declutter to keep things in check. So there we have it. A clutter-free garage might seem like a daunting task, but with a little time and effort, it's within reach. Remember, a clean garage isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating a functional space that works for you. So why wait? Roll up your sleeves and start reclaiming your garage today. Transformation awaits, one box at a time.